So Myostorm is a fitness recovery and pain relief company. We've started with our flagship product. This is called the Meteor. It's the only product in existence that combines myofascial release, trigger point release, vibration and heat therapy into one easy transportable device. So I ran track and field here at BYU. Then after that I went and ran professionally in Seattle with the Brooks Beast. And while I was running, I kind of noticed that there was this gap in the market.
So while Shaq was running around the world, literally, Jono, he was back here at BYU and he's a mechanical engineer, and he was doing research on how vibration affects the human body. And Shaq, Jono, and I all served our missions together in England, actually. And so he reached out to Shaq, who they served together and were best friends, and said, "Hey Shaq, this is what I'm doing with research and vibration and recovery. What do you think about it?" And that's kind of how they got together. Because none of us had a lot of business background, you guys being part of the launch pad is probably in the Rollins Center.
Oh yeah.
Has taught you more than you ever would have thought.
Oh yeah.
I also think it's a really good place to start, like coming from the background that we have, not a business background, to where you don't pick up any bad habits. You just completely start with the correct way to do things. Yeah. So I really like that we're kind of started the right way.
I lost a full ride scholarship to the Army Academy, like West Point, and losing West Point about 2 months before I graduated caused me to look for schools with honor codes. And when I discovered BYU, I kind of fell in love with the school because I didn't want to be a loser at like another school. Because I didn't drink, I didn't smoke. I was waiting until I was married. I was like, man, I'm gonna have a rough time in college. and so I started looking into BYU, and at the same time, I started investigating the church and got baptized about a week after I graduated high school. And 3 months later, through some miracles, I was able to attend BYU that fall. And that's kind of what got me on the journey, which has brought me here now, like founding a company with these guys, is losing everything. Instead of going to like fight in the military, go special forces was kind of my plan. Instead, I'm here now, starting a company, served a mission, and I'm doing the entrepreneurship, and that's the purpose I found, to go help other people's lives by providing jobs, having like ways to make the world a better place.
Part of Myostorm's culture is to do things for the right reasons. Our mentor is Corbin Church, and the first thing we talked with Corbin about was, why are we doing this? And to make sure we're doing this for the right reasons. Because later in life, we're gonna measure our life by maybe success and financial success and how many companies were we able to make. But I think more importantly, all of us being converts and all of us being from different backgrounds and different parts of the world, we feel like, if we have all the success, financial success in the world, but we forgot or neglected the more important things like family and who we are as people, then was it really a success?